everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how to draw lips in oil pastels. Here are the results of today's video. I done the two pair of lips. That's just how I do it, so that you get the idea of what I'm gonna do today. And yeah, don't worry, we're not gonna draw my lips, so chill. So I think we are ready. I might just stick this paper to this board so it doesn't move, and I have my reference photos on the side. You can use it, everything is on my Pinterest. So yeah, my oil pastels are here, we are ready. Let's start drawing. So yeah, I will start with those more nude, not so pinky lips. And I'm choosing the darkest color because it will be easier to blend it. And I'm just blocking in the shape. I will mark the bottom and maybe the top part, but really lightly. And I'm starting applying like thicker layer of the oil pastel. And I will go in with this brownish color. And also I will be placing this pink next to this red one, and I'll start blending the colors together. I won't be really messing around with this top part because I will be blending it with the skin tone, so I'm working more in the center of the lip. So now I am using this beige color to blend this pink and make it more natural looking. And I will place this oil pastel flat, not on the angle, and just fill the space around the lip with this color so that it's easier to blend everything together. And to create the perfect skin color, I will be using beige with the yellow and then with white. Some people may tell you that this is bad to like smudge your oil pastel with a finger. I will tell you that do what you want. And if it works for you, it works for you. Maybe it won't. Maybe you want to use the lighter color. You can blend also with lightest color, but I like to smudge it with my fingers. So okay, so we have the skin. We'll go for the shadow under the lip, and I will enhance it. And a little bit of this brown, and I am blending everything. So we have the skin, it is looking smooth, everything is blended. Now I will be working on the lip color itself, so I might be just applying and blending all the colors. You see, I had some other colors on the tip, so always just swipe it and don't do what I did. Okay. So I think this color is too bright, so I will add brown on it. It looks cool when you blend the edges of the lip with the skin tone. Like you're bringing in a little bit of this pink on the sides. And I left those highlights to put their white oil pastel to fill it in, like so, and at the top to make everything look much more three-dimensional. So we have this place between the lips and it's not really that bright, so I would probably fill it in with brown, and I'm adding also this darker gray onto it. So now when I blend everything with this red I used at the beginning, it looks more burgundy because it mixed with this dark brown. And I'm spreading a little bit of this color from here, from the inside of the mouth, not from the edges. And if you want to add more details, I am using like this metal thingy, but you obviously want to use whatever you have around you. You just need to something that is quite pointy and sharp, that can take off this oil pastel. And basically what you can do, you can take the top layer of the oil pastel and the lower part will show up. So my lower part was this red, and I'm taking those lighter colors and it shows up and it looks pretty nice. And also use these rounded larger spaces. The only thing I will do also here is darkening those upper parts here on the sides. I will take this brush and I will just smudge it like so. Now let's do the next one, and this will be a little bit tilted. And I will go in and I will start with this shape. I will do those two circles on the sides to create the shape of the lips. I am putting the skin color around to blend everything in it, with it, in it. One more time, did the same thing, okay. I think the top lip is too big. Now the same way, I am using this darker color on the inside, so it is not so bright there. And the highlight I will put here and here, and one more time blending a little bit with the brush, not too much.